Welcome. I'm Melissa Whaley. I am the undergraduate advisor in the Department of Environmental Science and Policy, and I am the advisor for the Climate Science and Policy minor. Dr. Mike Springborn is the lead faculty advisor for the Climate Science and Policy minor. You are welcome to contact either one of us anytime about the minor. Here is our website. The Climate Science and Policy minor is intended to balance breadth, rigor, and accessibility. The minor is going to provide a general understanding of sustainability and climate discourse, a specific understanding of climate change science mitigation and adaptation strategies, and we'll go through the scientific, social, institutional, and economic dimensions. It is meant to be accessible to any major across campus. This is great for science majors, but could also be done by really any major on campus. The requirements for the minor are our climate policy class, ESP 165, modern climate change, ATM 116, ESP 165 and ATM 116 as of fall 2023 are both offered in fall quarter. You will also need to select one of ATM 5, global climate change, or SAS 25 or 25V, also called global climate change. You can pick either one of those options, and then one of LDA 3, sustainable development, and design 127A. You'll also need to choose 11 units of electives. So it's basically 3 classes from this list. We've got classes from all over campus, from wildlife, fish, and conservation biology to civil engineering to atmospheric science to American studies. Any of these electives are good, and you can share one class between your major and your minor. So STEM majors that this minor would pair well with would be atmospheric science, chemistry or applied chemistry, civil engineering, environmental policy analysis and planning, environmental science and management, environmental toxicology, evolution, ecology and biodiversity, geology, global disease biology, hydrology, international agricultural development, landscape architecture, marine and coastal science, physics or applied physics, plant sciences, sustainable ag and food systems, sustainable environmental design, or wildlife, fish, and conservation biology. So far, we have had students in both applied chemistry and applied physics do this minor, also civil engineering and environmental engineering, and I think this is especially relevant to geology, just due to the importance of climate change on geological issues. So this minor will help in careers if you're looking to go into any sort of environmental or climate consulting. So it will be a good supplement to your major. If you're looking to work in a government agency such as the Air Resources Board, the Forest Service, or the Environmental Protection Agency, or really any one of the environmental governmental agencies. Any environmental NGO or non-governmental organization, or private companies that are focused on climate change or climate remediation. There we go.
Great, and I have just a few questions. What prerequisites do I need beyond the minor requirements? So I know that there's a lot of upper division classes, and are there any prerequisites I should know about before going in?
It really depends on the electives that you choose. The main prerequisite for our required courses is microeconomics, or Econ 1A. That course is important for the climate policy class. But other than that, we've tried to keep it pretty broad in what students can take so that they don't have to worry too much about prerequisites. If you're looking to take the atmospheric science or civil engineering elective options, then you will need some additional physics and calculus, but those are just options among many.
My next question is going to be, would I be able to complete like research or an internship for 92, 192, 98, or 198 units to count towards the minor?
So we don't use internship or research units to count towards the minor, but we do encourage it. If there is a specific interest area that you have and you want to delve more deeply into that for the minor, we are always open to substitutions. And if you want to make a substitution for the minor, you'll want to contact Professor Mike Springborn.
Great. And then my final question is going to be, in your eyes, what makes this minor unique?
This minor is unique because it focuses on both the science and the policy aspect of climate. Climate change and climate remediation, it's incredibly important to know the science behind climate, but also the policies behind it too. The policy aspect will help you in any sort of consulting job. So that's where this, I think, is really unique. Plus, it also allows a wide variety of electives, which I haven't seen in other climate-related minors.
Great. Thank you so much.